Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by cleaning and inspecting the damage. This tells you whether paint is intact or metal is exposed, so you can choose the right repair path. Once clean, use good light and feel the edges of the dent and scratch. Make sure to tape around fragile trim to protect it. Next, organize tools. Have 400 to 2000 grit sandpaper, a small suction puller, body filler, primer, and matching touch-up paint ready. This saves time and prevents mistakes. You remove a dent by pulling with a suction tool, then tap down high spots with a plastic hammer. This evens the panel without cracking paint. If paint is scraped, sand the area. Start with 400 grit to remove rough edges, then 800 to blend into surrounding paint. Once contours look right, apply a thin layer of body filler. Cure it, then sand progressively to smooth. Make sure to preserve panel shape. Check frequently from different angles to avoid oversanding. You apply primer and light, even coats to seal filler and promote adhesion. Once dry, wet sand with 1000-2000 grit until smooth. After that, spray the base coat in 2 to 4 thin layers, blending beyond the repair edge so the color transition is invisible. Finish with 2 to 3 clear coat layers for protection and shine. Once cured, wet sand lightly and polish to match factory gloss. If color mismatch appears, try another thin base coat pass and reblend. Use professional color code if problems persist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.